Hairdresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw Monster CraftyCorn from Poppy Playtime. So let's get started. To draw this cute CraftyCorn, let's first start by drawing a soft curve. So I'm going to start right here, and this is going to be the top of the mane on top of the head. So just start something like that, and then I'm just going to bring it down on both sides. And then I'm going to go ahead and just draw 3 curves. So 1, and then we're just going to put in a center one and 1 more. There. So now that we have that, we need to draw the eyes. So this being our center, about right here, I'm just going to come to the left a little bit and come to the right. With those 2 points, I'm going to draw the eye. So I'm going to come right here. I'm going to start on this side first. I'm going to come down with a curve and draw it out. And then about right here, I'm going to go ahead and draw another curve. So we're just kind of creating an eye socket and connect. It's kind of like an eye socket you would draw on a skull. There. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Come out, and then once again, just like the other side, bring this out and connect. There. So now that we have that, we're going to come inside towards this corner. We're going to draw a circle. And then right in the center, I'm just going to draw a little dot. So same thing here. And then a little dot. And then from there, I'm just going to quickly shade this all in so you can see a little bit better. Just makes it a lot creepier. Creepy cute. Hopefully you think so. And same thing over here. So I've drawn Monster Catnap and Monster Dog Day. So I think this is my 3rd one, and I'm definitely planning to draw the elephant version as well. So let me know in the comments below if you want more and which one. Okay, there. So now that I have these creepy eyes in, we're going to come to the sides right here, and I'm just going to draw an edge and stop about right there. Same thing on this side. And stop about the same height. Then we're going to come right in this area and just kind of draw. Just going to shade in 2 little nostril holes. Then from there, this being our center, I'm going to come right here and just draw a curve like we usually would with a big smile. I'm going to come out past this point. So let's say about right here. I'll stop. And same thing here. Nice big smile. So about right there. Then I'm going to go ahead and finish off this big smile. So I'll just come right here and draw a big curve underneath. There. And then I'm going to come right about here, round it off a little bit, and then go around my smile. And I'm just basically following it all the way. So same thing over here. Just kind of soften this part, round it off, go around. And connect. There. Okay, so now that we have that, let me quickly shade this in. Bear with me here. I know it's take a little bit of time. Hopefully you can, if you're behind, you can catch up during this time. But I think it's very important that I fill this in for you so you can see it. And as always, Hairdresser Cuties, if you feel like I'm going too slow, definitely just fast forward the video. And if I'm going too fast, just slow it down or pause it. That's the beauty of watching YouTube videos, right? Okay, there. Ooh. Now to draw the ears. So I'm going to pop them in this area. So let's say about right here. It's just easier for my hands to go this way. I'm just going to go ahead, round off the tip and bring it in. Then we're going to come about right here. So this part being thicker, and we're just going to draw the inside. So same thing on the other side, about right here. And we're just going to drag it into this area and in. And once again, thicker about right there and thinner. Then of course I almost forgot the most important part. So this being our center, I'm going to come up. Let's say about right there. Hopefully I still have enough room. And I'm going to use that as my guide, round this off and come down on both sides. There. And I'm just going to go ahead and draw some curves to finish it off. Okay, so now that we have that, we're done with the head. Now let's go ahead and draw the body. So right in the center, we need to make sure we draw this flower. So I'm going to skip a little bit of space right in the center, come down about right here. I'm just going to draw a circle. Then we're going to draw 5 petals. I'm going to make sure this flower touches the chin area. And I'm just going to quickly draw 5 petals. There. Then we can start the legs. So I want to kind of make them go out this way so that I can have enough room for the back legs. So I'll start right here. And have fun with this part. It can be really like not shaky, but like it doesn't have to be perfect is what I'm trying to say. Oh, and then right here, I'm just going to pop it out a little bit for the joint area and then continue. And I'm going to bring it down to say about right there and round it off. Then come right here and connect before I forget. So same thing here. I'm going to come about right here. And once again, about right here, pop out a little joint, bring it down. We just want to make sure we're about the same area. And same thing. Round it off and connect. There. And then we need to draw the back legs. So I'm just going to make them a little wonky because he is a monster, right? And so I'm just going to put it in these weird angles. So say about right here. And we're going to end a little bit shorter and connect so it gets in the back. And then this part right here, another one. And I'll just end it there. And the legs, since I don't have enough space. And let's see here. Hopefully that doesn't look too weird because the body is about right here. So we don't need to draw anything, but right in between the legs right here, let's go ahead. We're just going to come down with a curve and then bring it up for the tail. When you color it in, it'll make sense. But that is pretty much it. I know it looks a little bit weird, but hopefully it works for this my Draw So Cute version of the monster CraftyCorn from Poppy Playtime. I really hope you love how this turned out and that helped you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.